So hello friends, in this video we will see how we can make the slab in SP3D. So for making slab in SP3D, we have to go to structure, then we have to go to slab. There are various options. We click on the slab. We can make slab by various options. So there are these icons. So here one icon is slab, place slab. We have to click on that. Then after clicking on that, there will be the option that is saying select plane or new slab. So we have to select one plane. Okay. So if there is no plane, then we can go by the point. But here is a plane, so I can select this. Okay. After selecting this plane, there are various options coming on the top. So these are the various options. So for making slab in easiest way, we choose this third option, define boundaries. Okay, after clicking that, we have to click on that 3D option, sketch 3D. Before that, we can give the 16, so where the slab will save. So I save this slab in any section you can save, that is A1 unit section. I can save this in structure. Okay, then we have to click on the 3D. Okay, after clicking on 3D, there is a yellow color point is coming. So that is our reference. We can start that first. Okay, we click on that. In anywhere we have to place slab, we click there. Then we have to lock string. We can give the value that is 10,000 by 10,000. We make the slab. So I give the 10,000 length. Okay, then we have to lock the cursor. Okay, either in easting or either in northing. So after I click on the northing lock, then again I will give the values of 10,000. Wait, 1000. Okay, then again we have to click on the easting. In this position, we either we can give the value of 10,000 here, or we can click here has it's locked to 10,000. Okay, again locking the northing and click on this point. So one square will mark or square will be created. If the finish option came here, so the perfect square or perfect end-to-end point connected, then we have to click on the finish. Then we have to give the thickness of the slab. Either we give the 100 mm or any value you can give. Okay. After click on 100, we have to click on the finish item. So now you can see here the slab is created successfully. Okay, I will rotate and view. As you can see, the slab is successfully created. So in this way we will create a slab in SP3D. This is the easiest method. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. We can make the SP3D video in this channel. For upcoming SP3D video, please subscribe. Thank you.